Hey guys, welcome back if you're new. For today's video, I am going to be doing a collective haul. I've been online shopping for quite some time now, and finally all of the things have arrived. So I thought I would do a haul. Okay, so I got most of these things quite some time ago, but I haven't opened them. I've been refraining myself from opening them so that I could do this haul video. So let's just get started. So I got stuff from 3 different online stores. First one being Kaimono Japan. They've recently opened a shop here in Nepal and they also have an online website. So I thought I would buy some things from there, and most of these are like home decor kind of things. It's just 3 things. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this black dustbin. If you guys don't already know, I'm planning a makeover for my room and I wanted a lot of black accents or black metal accents, and I saw this, so I got it. Pretty simple, a black dustbin. Then the next thing, I also got this black, what do you call this, rack to store stuff in, and it also has these handles so I can probably hang it as well, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I just got it for organizing my things. And the last thing that I got from Kaimuno is this. This is a cork board, and it also has the little rope so that you can hang it somewhere, and I was planning to hang it on my door. To go with this, I also got some push pins. These are antique design push pins, and I'm going to insert clips of the close-ups of everything. So yeah, these are antique design push pins. So that was everything from where was it from? Kaimono, yeah. Okay, so the next package is from Bhavshop products. I usually buy most of my stationery from there, and I just did a little order this time. So let's open it. I've had this for more than 2 weeks now, and I'm just waiting to open it. So the first thing is these are stickers, cozy sticker. This is from Koikoi, Nepal, and I will leave their Instagram handle in the description, but I really love all their posts on Instagram as well. They make online stickers for Instagram and also handmade stickers. These are the handmade ones and these are the cozy ones. I got this for December bullet journal as well because I wanted to do a kind of a cozy theme for the winter. The colors they use are just really, I think they're really aesthetic and I really like it. I really like them. They're really cute. So the next thing is this, and this is my third sketchbook from Lekhnekorne, and I saw this navy blue kind of color and I just could not resist. All of you guys who have been asking me about my art journal, this is the one, but in blue. You've seen the pink and the baby blue one. I usually like to buy an extra one because it just motivates me to finish that one so that I can get started on my new one. Yeah, I got another one of the Lekhnekorne journals, and if I can get my hand on the yellow one, I will buy that one too, because I know that this is a really good investment because I know that I will use it and I know that they are really good quality. So I will leave all the links in the description, links, Instagram handles, so if you're interested in any of the products, make sure to check the description. This is another thing that I got from Bhav, and they have 3 different varieties. I'll leave the link in the description, but I think this will really help keep my drawers organized, especially my stationery drawer, which is why I got it. The last thing I got from Bhav products is something that I'm really excited about because they just recently came out with this, and it's the black paper notebook. Yeah, we have 50 sheets of black paper and they are A4 blank, and everything from Bhav products is always really good quality, and I cannot wait to try some doodles on this black paper. I just love black. Am I weird, or Does anyone else get really excited over new stationery? Okay, so all of the rest of the stuff are from Daraz, and I also have a very special package here which I'm going to leave for last. So the first thing that I will show is this huge thin package which I have already opened because I am impatient. And I'll just show you. So I got two that are 14 by 18, and the biggest one I cannot take it out right now, but I think that's 24 by 30 inches. I'm not sure. But I also ordered a mechanical pencil. This is the Sakura mechanical pencil. I like it. And I think that is everything for the stationery part. So everything else is either craft supplies or I don't even remember. So let's just start unboxing. I know what this is. Okay, why is there so many packages? Waste. Oh, I remember what this is. Okay, there's another box. I don't think an unboxing video was a good idea because I struggle with opening things. Okay. Oh, it also comes with screws. Alright. This is to hang my ukulele on the wall. I've been wanting to get this for so long. So it comes with two screws and also the plastic thingy to put it up on the wall. So this is also a part of the room transformation. I think hanging the ukulele up for show is a great addition to my room because it will also motivate me to play more often, I think. Okay, I know what this is from the shape. Okay, I feel like it's Christmas, even though I don't celebrate Christmas. Okay, there's one wrap. This much tape was not necessary. Ah. There's so much tape on it.
1 hour later.
It is a little wooden tray. It's really nicely made actually. So it's just this tray, and this is also for my room decor. And I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but it's a really cute size. This is for a DIY as well. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with it, but it's a really cute size. I actually wanted more of these, but I thought I would order one first before I order multiple, just to see the quality, and I actually really like the quality. The finishing is really nice. Next one is a book. I remember this. I've been wanting this book for so long, and I finally got it. I really like poetry books, and I read a lot of poetry online as well. So I've read this book already. Actually, I've read the whole thing, but I really wanted to own it. So this is Milk and Honey from Decor. I'll show you a close-up, but it's a little bit damaged, but it's fine, it's fine. I don't think this is the...
If you guys know the original book, it has like the chapters in dark gray colored paper. You can see this is dirty as well. All the corners are damaged. And I was expecting a brand new book, but this just looks... I don't know, I'm really disappointed. And the thing that really got to me is... So you have the chapters, right? The herding. It's the hunting. Wow. I'm returning this.
This is my new gaming mouse pad. I'm so excited for this. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's an RGB mouse pad. I've been wanting something like this for so long. I have a huge mouse pad. If you can see, it takes up the whole desk space, and I don't really need that huge of a mouse pad. So I have got a smaller one.
Guys, I just tested the mouse pad and it actually looks really nice with my setup. I just changed the settings to blue because most of my setup I've set the color to blue, and my laptop keyboard is blue as well. That is why. But this is what my gaming setup looks like. I really like the quality of the mousepad, and I'm just going to quickly show you all the different settings. So this is on blue. We have this little switch here and it changes the color. So you have solid colors, and all of the solid colors, you have red, and then you have like the mixed colors. So here we have the mixed colors, purple, pink or purple, and then you have all the RGB or whatever colors, like it changes. Can you see that? And then I have, that's it. I really like the blue one because I wanted my setup to be like blue themed because my laptop keyboard is blue lighted. So yeah, I'm really happy with this addition to my gaming setup.
So the last package from Daraz is this one, and this is, I think, the crafts things that I ordered. The first thing I got are these embroidery rings, and I also wanted to use these for DIYs, basically room decor DIYs. A lot of you guys were asking for more videos like that, and I have a lot of things planned as well. I just needed to get everything I needed. So I got 3 of these rings. Next, I just got different type of ropes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's basically a thin rope. What else can I say? It's a thin rope. And I got 2 of those. And then I got a macrame. Rope. Yes, rope. I got the macrame rope. And I've never tried macrame DIYs before. I've only seen a lot of videos, but I'm hoping that I will be able to do something with it. Okay, so that is it for all the things that I got from Daraz. Since I've got my macrame rope now, expect more DIY videos. The very last package is this. So there's this Instagram page called Aasthaetics. Yes, she has the same name as me. She basically does bullet journaling, and her pages are really simple but really aesthetic. I really like her bullet journaling pages and have gotten a lot of inspiration from her when I do my own bullet journaling. And she recently came out with her own bullet journaling notebooks.
Okay, so here is our package. It is wrapped properly in Nepali paper with her signature on it, which is really nice. It has my name and my address on it, and it also has her Instagram handle, Made with Love for Asta. She usually does doodles like this on her bullet journal. Oh wow, it's so nice. Thank you for the purchase. With help and love of talented Nepali artisans, we were able to bring this beautiful and premium dot-print notebook that uses Nepali local paper and 120 GSM wood-free paper to life just for you. I'd love to see how you use this and how you make your own. Take a photo and tag me on Instagram. I'm just going to remove this part for now and show you the cover. So this is all Nepali paper. I love this so much. I cannot wait for December to be over so that I can start using this one. And she has her name here and her signature, I think. And it's great because my name is Asta too, so all I have to do is add another A. And this fell off. It says, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Okay, let's open it. I really like white pages in my bullet journals. The best thing about this is how thick the paper is. She had this Instagram story up where she asked everyone what we wanted in a bullet journal, and that is what I asked for. That is thicker pages, and she has delivered. I mean, I love this. I cannot wait to use it. I think this one might have a little... Oh, she has different quotes on every single one of them. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on... I love that she has taken the time to put a different quote on each of her bullet journal notebooks. I'm happy that this year is going to be over so that I can use this. Thank you for making this such good quality and giving us everything that we have hoped for. I cannot wait to use this, and I will definitely be tagging you in each of my bullet journal pages that I post on Instagram, so get ready for that.
Okay guys, I think that was everything that I had planned for this haul. I hope you enjoyed. I cannot wait to use so many of the things that I got. So thank you for watching, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome. Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. today. And it is so light. And I asked you guys on Instagram and you guys wanted me to do it. So I'm going to do it. Yes. So I will leave all the this chair is annoying. I am so awkward. Bye.